Hello everyone, mabuhay! If you happen to be new here, I'm Melanie. Melanie Got Style. To do today, it's about eyebrows. So I got it right already. It's eyebrows. When it's single, it's eyebrow. Is it right? If it's not right, comment down below and well, I'll continue learning from my mistakes. So anyways, yeah, I'll do a tutorial. It's only about doing your eyebrows for beginners, so it's gonna be step by step. Bear with me, I'm no expert about this, but I just want to share with you my journey on learning these kind of beauty hacks, tricks, and tips about doing your makeup. So without further ado, let's get started. So get your pencil. For today, I'm gonna use this pencil because last time that I did this video, the Nadine BYS Cosmetics, I used a brush, but that brush is not that fine and it's not really used for eyebrows. So, but anyways, that video went well and I got a lot of good things, good notes about that video. So I hope you watch it. I'll use this Maybelline brow eyeliner, and let's see what this pencil will look like on my eyebrow. Let's see. You know what? I'm really feeling sick these past few days and I'm just recovering. That's why I have this water bottle beside me. Thank goodness to the water. And sorry, I have to drink. First, line it. When you do your eyebrow, don't start on your edge of your eyebrow here. Do not do it. I've learned the hard way. So you start maybe 3/4 of your eyebrow. So let's see, line it up. If you have a pencil, do it with me. So line there. I started lining there. And then continue that way. Drop it with your with where is the length of your eyes, just there. That's the basic, the average of your eyebrow length there. And then at the bottom, you can start on the edge of your eyes, just this way, at the bottom of it. So I'll start there. And don't go all the way there. Don't do it. You start this way and then go straight. Go straight. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So you do it all the way straight. Did you see the difference? I used to do it that way. I will shape it that way. But we're starting over again. So we're doing it the right way. So there, look at the difference. And then you can just spread this. Don't make it this picture for square shape eyebrows is a big no. I see a lot of pictures, but this is the right way. If they say you stroke it so that it will look natural, stroke it, show it. If you don't have lots of hair like me, you make that what is that called in English? The look that you have hair there. So you can move closer here on your nose, line of your nose, there. If you see what I'm doing, sorry, I'm left-handed. If I'm covering the camera, I am really sorry. Not my intention. So, there. And then, I'll just keep filling it up. Down below, and I would love for you to subscribe to, click the red button, and don't forget to ring the bell for more tutorial about makeup and fashion and style and everything else about style. Just you have to style it with guts. Yeah. So let's go on the next one. So this one you'll see it. I'll put the camera closer. There you go. Put my hand here. So let's go start again here. Move on. Following that way. There. That's my line. I'm not gonna pass that so that it will look natural. There, I'll line it up, and now you can start it all the way here, and you go straight, okay? Straight. There. And then stroke it, make it like bushy, like Angelina Jolie. So easy, right? I used to have a hard time doing my eyebrows and it doesn't look natural. And I hate it. I said, why everybody knows how to do their eyebrows and I don't? And I watch a lot of YouTube, because not a lot of YouTubers knows how to do their eyebrows properly, and even they're doing tutorial. It's not right. So I watch this YouTuber, and she got, I think, 8 million views on that video. I'll link that at the bottom of my in my description below, and you can watch her. She's so good. Her criticism about YouTubers and people that do wrong makeup, it's funny. It was funny when I was watching it. And anyways, let's start again. Oh, let's do it. Continue doing it. So, there. Stroke it. See? Make it fuller if you want it fuller. There, ta-da! And then you can clean it with concealer or highlighter cream. Sorry if that moves a lot. But before that, I'm going to do this to make it more light. You just wanna light and bushy. Or if you don't have this, just a regular brush like this, you can use it. And then clean it with magic concealer, or if you have this cream, just use that regular cream so that it's not thicker, because concealer is too much. So just dab it, clean all of the edges, make it more flawless looking eyebrows. Ooh, I said it right. There! I'm so happy. Did you achieve it? Did you? That I want to see if you have if you follow this. Take a picture and send it to my comment section. Just scroll up, then you'll see the comment section, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Till the next video. Bye.